We are back with another video, and this time we will be proving a cyclic quad. And if you don't mind, I will read out the converse of this theorem. It says that opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. That means they add up to 180 degrees. It means that this angle and this angle, they add up to 180 degrees, and this angle, they add up to 180 degrees. So let's prove this thing and move on. In the diagram below, O is the center of the circle. Why not? ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Prove that A plus C, or angle A plus angle C, these two angles here, they are 180 degrees. Their sum is 180 degrees. So I'm gonna make a construction and unpause the video to explain what I did. In our construction, I constructed BO and OD. I drew a line that goes from B to D. So in our construction, we will say join BD, BOD, D. Yes, yeah. Join BOD. And you can also say draw BO and OD, then join BOD. Depends on how you want to write it. And what are we required to prove? We are required to prove that angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. And yeah, here let's call this angle O1, and let's call this angle O2. We will say in our proof, angle O1, which is this angle here, is 2 times angle C. 2 times angle C, because of the angle at center theorem. Yeah, you can finish it. And similarly, we can say angle O2 is equals to 2 times angle A, because of the same reason as this one here. And then we can say angle O. What are we trying to prove here? We are trying to prove that angle A plus angle C is 180 degrees. So here we will say, and from now on we can say angle O here. Can say angle O is equals to 360 degrees, angle about a point or around a point, yes, we can say that 2C plus 2 angle A is equals to 360 degrees. We can factor out the A here, the 2 here. It becomes angle C plus angle A, close brackets, is equals to 360 degrees. And if we divide both sides by 2, you will get that. Let me put this in another way. Say angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. And yeah, we proved this theorem. It didn't take us that long, but this is how you prove this theorem. And if there is another way of proving this theorem, like I see some use other ways to prove this theorem, and this is the easiest way to to prove this theorem. If you have gone through my previous videos on how I explained some theorems there, because the previous theorem, the next theorem, we will use the previous theorem to prove it. And this is the continuation of maths. This is the fun of maths. If you don't know the previous theorem, then you cannot prove this new theorem here. And yeah, with that being said, let's cut this video.